How to register, log in, and connect your smartphone or tablet to a smart prayer mat. First, turn on Bluetooth on your phone or tablet. Afterwards, open Nor Connect app and click Continue to follow the landing pages. Here, you can create an account by using your email address. Log in with your existing account or click the Sign Up Here button below. Follow the instructions to fill in your email address, password, and other information. Click Sign Up, and at this point, your account has been successfully registered. Log into your account using the registered email address. Click on the profile below, and then click on Devices. Press and hold the device button for 2 seconds until the blue light starts to flash. Click Add Device and connect to the prayer mat that has been found. The Bluetooth of the pairing device. The blue indicator light of the device changed from flashing to being constantly on. At this moment, seeing this scene, our Bluetooth has been connected. Clicking back to home, and you can start your prayer now. Simply pair your device the first time, and it connects automatically every time.